Were you born in August? Turns out, historically, more people are born this month than any other month of the year. I'm Kim Emmerich, nurse practitioner at Atricare. If you've seen my face before, chances are that you know I spend a lot of my time talking to new parents in either pediatrics or lactation. But this message isn't just for new parents. It's also for grandparents or for anyone else who's spending time with new babies. Whooping cough, or pertussis, will land about half of the babies infected with it in the hospital. Complications can include pneumonia, brain disease, pauses in breathing, and, most unfortunately, death. Moms who receive their DTaP vaccine during pregnancy can pass along some antibodies to their newborns until they begin their series of vaccines at 2 months of age. But even then, they aren't fully protected. So, if not for you, which whooping cough still can be risky, do it for the babies. Oh, and happy birthday to so many of you, and happy Immunization Awareness Month to everyone else.